Hello everyone, I'm Sai now. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the speed test between the iQOO Z3 versus the Oneplus Nord CE device. Yes friends, I do have the Oneplus Nord CE. This is my first day of using the Oneplus Nord CE. But let's see which phone will be the faster in terms of the performance wise, in terms of the opening and closing the applications, and in terms of the background RAM management as well. This will be the really good speed test between both phones. And these are the basic 15 applications I have collected. There is no games. I did not include the games because I'll include the games in separate video. That will be another video, but in this video let's see these 15 applications which phone will be able to open the faster. So here's the iQOO Z3, which has got the Snapdragon 768G processor with the extended RAM capabilities. You can get up to 11 GB of RAM. Yes friends, 11 GB of RAM with the extended RAM capabilities. As you can see, Snapdragon 768G processor. In the OnePlus Nord device, we do have the Snapdragon 750G processor with the 8 GB RAM variant, which I did order right now. As you can see friends, 8 GB RAM variant. So overall, the Snapdragon 768G is slightly powerful than the Snapdragon 750G processor. Let me try to quickly show you the Android benchmark test results just as a sample. How much powerful? That just as a basic idea you should know. As you can see, even slightly powerful but not much. You can expect close to 50 to 16,000 difference will it be there between both phones. This is the best you can expect between both phones. Only that much, not much difference. So first let's start with the test, which is the reboot speed test. Let's see which phone will be able to reboot faster. That is what I'm going to check right now. And it's a OnePlus Nord and it is a iQOO Z3 device. So both are having the same kind of interface. Shockingly, let me try to start at the same time. Let's see friends which phone will be able to restart faster, and then I'll be able to proceed with the speed test using the 15 applications. So as I said, stay tuned for more updates friends regarding the both phones. I'll be doing definitely a lot of videos comparing both devices in the future. So I'll try to do the display comparison, camera comparison, battery comparison, a lot of things I need to do in the next couple of days. So which I'm planning ultimately to do. And today completely I did focus only on the 4G plus speed test connection. So 4G plus were completely good on the OnePlus Nord, and the iQOO Z3 mobile got first rebooted fastly, as you can see. And still the OnePlus Nord is taking its time. It's taking some time, and finally even the OnePlus Nord has been successfully booted up, as you can see friends clearly right now. And right now I'll be connecting to the same Wi-Fi network. Let me try to show you exactly the same Wi-Fi connection which I'm trying to connect, so you know exactly I'm trying to use the same Wi-Fi network only. And right now I'm using the same Wi-Fi network, as you can see friends clearly. So all the background applications are completely clear. Let me try to clear all the background applications. Everything is cleared right now. Let me try to open the 15 applications. So here are the 15 applications which I will be opening in this test. So let's see friends, let's get started. And in case if you enjoy this kind of speed test comparison, so don't forget to check the playlist which I have created only for the speed test lovers. So try to check this playlist for the processor speed test, and this is the 4G plus speed test. So these are the two playlists which I have added recently. So first let's start with the Google Chrome application. Is the Google Chrome application friends. Let's start which phone will be able to open faster. And I did turn on the 120Hz refresh rate and 90Hz refresh rate in the OnePlus Nord device. That is another thing which I thought of just mentioning to you. And the first iQOO Z3 did open the Google Chrome application faster. You can clearly see the results. And next is the WhatsApp. WhatsApp also iQOO Z3 slightly but not much. Let me try to click accept and write some kind of number in the background. I'm trying to just keep the number in the background as well. So next is Instagram. Let's see friends, Instagram. So both are kind of close to each other but not much difference. Let me try to enter some kind of number. I'm just trying to keep all the background friends, so later I can use for the RAM management purpose. And this time the iQOO Z3 did load the page first, and I'm ready to keep this Poco M3 Pro. I do have the Poco M3 Pro as well with me. I did do plenty of tests on the Poco M3 Pro. Next is Amazon. Let's see the Amazon. I think this one, the iQOO Z3 did open slightly faster but not much. Let me try to keep the background, maybe the mobile phones. So let's keep the mobile phones at the background. Let me try to go back. And next is a YouTube. So let's see the YouTube, which phone. I think the OnePlus Nord did open slightly faster but not much friends, slightly faster OnePlus Nord. So next is the speed test application. Is a speed test application which I thought of just loading, and first loaded in the OnePlus Nord CE device and then in the iQOO Z3 device. Let me try to start the test right now. So let's see friends which phone will be able to have the better speeds of the Wi-Fi with the same connection I'm trying to do right now testing. So 17 Mbps, and both are in kind of same kind of speeds at this point I'm trying to get, not much difference overall. So 16 Mbps and 17 Mbps and 18 Mbps slightly increased when this got decreased, and upload speeds are close to 28 Mbps but not much. So 56 Mbps of speeds in the iQOO Z3, and still the OnePlus Nord is taking some time. So I just want to keep this kind of test in the background, friends. Let's see in the RAM management whether these results will be saved or not. That is the reason why I started to do this kind of test. So the OnePlus Nord is trying to restart again. So let's see this time how much will it be getting. So if you try to do that same time, these are the problems. If you so only one phone will be able to get some high speeds, another phone won't be able to get the speeds. So let's see, friends. So whole point is not in terms of the Wi-Fi speed test. This is the process speed test and RAM management test. So let me try to go back as soon as this finish. So in this application I did waste a couple of minutes, so let me try to go back immediately as soon as it finished. So let's see, yes, it's done, and let me try to go back to the next application, which is the Play Store. And slightly first in the OnePlus Nord. So I will try to keep this in the background, and let's go to the camera. Camera slightly first, as you can see, iQOO Z3 did open the camera first, and next is a Facebook. iQOO Z3 did open the Facebook first, as you can see here, friends, clearly. And next is Prime Videos. Let's see the Prime Video. Prime Video is slightly first in the OnePlus Nord device, as you can see, friends. OnePlus Nord did open faster, and next is Ghana. Ghana as well. First, it got loaded in the OnePlus Nord, as you can see. So next is Myntra. Let's see which phone. I think OnePlus Nord did load faster slightly, but not much. Next is Paytm. First, iQOO Z3. So there's a little bit kind of difference, friends, in terms of the opening applications. I did not find much difference between both phones. And now, so here I did open the 15 applications in the background, friends, 15 applications. So everything should be kind of completely in the background from the beginning. As you can see, from the beginning, Google Chrome to each and every application will be there, as you can clearly see, friends. So now it's the time to test which phone has got better kind of RAM management as well. Let's see which phone has got the better RAM management. That is an interesting thing to see. So let me try to go back to the first application, which is a Chrome application. Let's see which phone will be having in the memory, the Chrome. So both are in the memory. That's really good, as you can see clearly, friends. After opening 15 applications, I am coming back to the first one. So WhatsApp, exactly both are same. That's really good. As you can see, friends, it's perfectly all right. There's not much difference, as you can see. Snapdragon 768G and 750G as well in terms of the opening applications. 15 basic applications. I did not include any games. So there's no games I did not include. And the YouTube as well, it's perfectly all right. And the speed test, yes, and even the speed test also, it did perform really good. And the Play Store, perfect, no problem. Camera also, no problem. Next is the Facebook also, yes, that's perfect. And the Prime Video is also perfect. Ghana is also perfect, no problem. Even the Ghana, that's really good, friends. So in terms of the basic everyday day-to-day task, you won't feel much difference using these both phones. That is what the conclusion I thought of giving you. So this is a basic 15 applications. I did a voting as well, where a lot of users, they did ask me to use only 15 applications, not the 20 or 25 applications which are normally they will be trying to use. So both phones did perform really good in terms of the opening of the applications. At the same time, I did not find any kind of much difference. RAM management is really good in both phones. It's perfectly all right. Even without extended RAM capabilities, the OnePlus Nord CE was able to perform really good as it is. So it's perfectly done in the OnePlus Nord CE. So let's come into the conclusion, friends. Final thing is that in terms of the opening speeds, both phones are faster in few of the applications. There is nothing much different. But in terms of the RAM management, both are all completely same. In RAM management, both are completely same. And next, maybe tomorrow I'll try to do the video on the gaming speed test comparison. Yes, friends, gaming speed test. I'll try to use a couple of games, and then we'll try to test the gaming performance. Which phone will be the best? So make sure to comment below, friends, what are your thoughts about this kind of testing. If you want me to include more 5 applications, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I can do that for you all. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.